Hey friends, how are you? And in today's video, I'm going to be taking 3 of these styrofoam cones and we are going to make 3 different style Christmas trees. If you are new here, welcome. I am Julie, and here on my channel we do DIYs, crafting, and home decor all on a budget. If that is something that interests you, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below so you don't miss any future videos. Now let's get to transforming these styrofoam cones.
So for the first tree, you will need a styrofoam cone. I got mine from the Dollar Tree, as well as a set of these beaded necklaces from the party section, also at Dollar Tree. And be sure to stay tuned to the end to see how I embellished all 3 trees differently. And I am taking part in the DIY Mommy's Christmas DIY and Decor Challenge, so be sure to check out the playlist I will link below so you can get some more DIY inspiration. So to begin, I am just going to hot glue the end of the beaded necklace, and you'll see I'm just going to wrap it around the cone, and every once in a while I'm going to add a little bit of glue to keep it all in place. For the second tree, I am going to use this rope that I also got from the Dollar Tree and do the same exact process, just wrapping it around and gluing it every so often. For the third tree, I'm going to use ribbon. Now, at first, I did try to just wind the ribbon around up the tree, but it became really bunchy and I didn't like that look. So I chose to cut strips of the ribbon and wrap each one separately around the tree, making sure to keep the seam of each ribbon on the back of the styrofoam. To finish off, I added little details. This sprig is from the Dollar Tree Dollar Spot, and I just added a little bit of a twine bow. For the rope tree, I added this little accent that I took off of a Christmas ornament from the Dollar Tree, and the little gold star is from the mini Christmas tree section at Michael's. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next videos.